Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to send a photo on WhatsApp, updated for 2025. Whether you're new to WhatsApp or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you share your favorite moments with ease. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once inside, navigate to the chat where you want to send the photo. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Next, look for the attachment icon. On most devices, it appears as a small paperclip symbol and is usually located near the text input field at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to open a menu of options. From the list of options that appear, select Gallery. This will take you to your phone's photo library, where all your saved images are stored. Now browse through your photos and find the one you want to send. Once you've found it, tap on the image to select it. At this point, you'll have the option to make some quick edits or add a caption if you'd like. Captions can be a fun way to add context or personalize your message, but this step is completely optional. Finally, when everything looks good, tap the send icon. It's shaped like a paper plane and is typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you hit send, your photo will be delivered instantly to your chosen chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo on WhatsApp. With these simple steps, sharing memories with friends and family has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.